Alright friends, in this session we are focusing on the insert method. So the insert method is used to add an element, add a specific index in a list. For example, I have list 1. If I want to add an element at index 1, what I need to do, I just come here and say list1, and then I use insert method. First, I use my index number. I give my index number. I want to add an element at index 1, so that's why I write 1, and then I give my value. My value could be 5 here. You see, the index number is 1 and value is 5. If I run it, you see right now 1, 5, 2, 3. The list becomes like that. So the insert method shifts existing elements to the right. What's my existing elements? 2 and 3. You see, after putting 5, it shifts the existing element to the right. Why? Because for making space for the new element. You see, I put my 5 here at index 1. Remember, in Python list, indexing starts from 0. So that's why it's my 0 index element. My element at 1 index, 2 and 3rd index element. You see, I made a space for new element and shifts to other element to the right. Super. See you in the next lesson.